Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to show you my latest project, a hybrid smart car that can move on its own using obstacle avoidance and also can be controlled via Bluetooth from your phone. So without getting any delay, let's start the video. First of all, you have to turn on this switch. And you can see the Bluetooth module is blinking continuously. When you have connected first with your mobile, this Bluetooth module will stop blinking. Here you have to open the Arduino Bluetooth control app. Tap on the control button. You have to enable your Bluetooth, give access to enable Bluetooth and allow. You can see the name HC05. The Bluetooth controls name is HC05, so you have to connect with this. First connect the Bluetooth control and you can see connected HC05 and go to car control. And you can see the Bluetooth HC05 module is connected with your mobile successfully and it stopped blinking. And now you can see if you want to go forward, just press forward arrow and it will go forward, and if you want to come backward, just press backward arrow. If you want to turn left, just press the left arrow, and if you have to turn right, just press right arrow. And guys, the coolest feature of this car, you can make it automatic whenever you want. You can see LED button. I have made this button to switch automatic and manual mode. Let me show you something special. If you press this button, the car goes to automatic mode. See. And don't worry guys, it won't bump into any obstacle. It's a smart robot. And if you wanna do some fun with your mobile or do some stunts, you can control fully with your Bluetooth. See, if you wanna go backward, just press back arrow. If you wanna go forward, just press front arrow. And if you wanna do stunt, just press left or right arrow, whatever you want. You can see it can rotate continuously because I have used these 4 gear motors. So if you like this project, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and comment below what you would like to see in my next project. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.